So sorry for the delay. We have been facing some problem with the cameras. It was an internal problem. We are really sorry for that. And but we are back as of now after a few minutes, right? We apologize for all the inconvenience which you have faced now in this last few minutes. We were discussing about our holdings, right? So we will directly come to that point only. Now look at the holdings which we have. We had Poonawalla, we have discussed about RBL, Aventel we were discussing. Aventel is doing 0.74% as of now. DDEV Plastic is positive 1.47%, right? And Hindustan Oil Exploration is 0.83% negative. IP ring is positive around 2.17%. Arkit Ply is also positive for today. Just look at the positivity is 1.87% positive, and Puna Swadis is negative. So overall, if we see out of 8 stocks, 5 stocks are doing really well, right? 5 stocks are doing really well and they are performing good. And if we look at the prospects, the increase in percentage is also really good, and which are negative like RBL Bank, IP Rings, and Hindustan Oil Explorations, we will be getting some benefit out of it, right? So overall, if we see, we are getting some momentum in the stocks. We are getting all the needs which we have, right? And we will be soon exiting our position from this stock. Very soon you will be looking that we are able to exit our position very easily, and after that we will be entering into the new positions, right? We can also come up with new sessions very soon because we have been doing research. Just due to all this consolidation happening in the market and uncertainties are prevailing, uncertainties are coming up in the market, it's showing some consolidation at this point, right? It is showing some consolidation. So let it be where we go ahead, like where we the stock can grow. So you have to look where the stock will grow. Now coming to the point, like what will be the point we have. So this was our holding for all these scripts. We have our holding Hindustan Oil Exploration, DDEV Plastic, which we have shown. We have entered many scripts till now. Many scripts means we have entered 47 scripts. Out of that, 37 has been exited till date. So just remember the potential we are having. We have been exiting 37 stocks till now, and 8 stocks are holding, in which Poonawalla has been bought 3 times and had been averaged it down. So this is the concept we have explained. Poonawalla has been averaged down, right? And so after coming to our this profit taking strategy, just look at the percentage of gain which we have provided. What we are coming up with, we are coming up with all the requirements which you have, right? All the requirements means we are coming up with the stock code as well, like either it is listed in NSE or it is listed in BSE. So these are the stock code. We have the opening timing of the stock. Just look at the timing we provide. Like many of the stocks are in BSE but not in NSE, so we provide for that also, that we will be able to trade in BSE. Just look at that, right? We also come up with the opening timing. The opening timing, what will be the opening timing of the stock when we have entered that stock, right? When we have made our position, and what was the direction we wanted to make, either it is a long or short direction. Mostly what we do, we go for a long direction as of now, because if we go for long, we will be able to make averages of that stock, right? Already I have explained you the concept of average down. Now coming to the entry point, we have made our entry point at 295. So this was our entry point. As of now, we have made our entry at 295, and what was our closing date when we have made our entry? First we'll go to the take profit mark. So at what position we have took our profit? So it was at 314. And what percentage of profit we have made? 6%. And what was the closing date? So look at the day tracking sheet which we are providing. We are providing with the date we have entered our position, opened our position, and the closing date, right? The closing date where we have closed our position as well. So after doing all these methods, after following our tracking strategy, the recommendations we provide, we have been able to reach 227% of profitability till date in just 37 trades. We have closed around 37 trades till now, and we are able to achieve the profitability of 227% of profitability. So just look at the profitability which we have achieved in just 2.5 months. We have closed down around 37 trades, and we are able to achieve the profitability of, right, we are able to achieve profitability 227%. So this is the tremendous returns we have been providing from last 2 months, right? We want you to remind that all these sessions which we are happening as of now won't be free for long. It won't be free for long. We will be coming in next 2 3 weeks. We will be ending our session, right? We will be closing our free session, and we will go for the VIP mode where we will only deals with the client who are serious in making money, right? Who are serious in making money, and those who want to gain serious, right? So all of these things we have, we are here to provide you with a good recommendation. We are here to provide you with the consistent returns. So just remember to follow us, to be on the live streaming, so that you get all of your queries solved, all of your insights, where to enter the position, where to exit that position. Also also we want to let you know, uh, that we don't only deal with forex, we deal with equity market as well. So that just remember that we will be coming up with forex market, we will be coming up with for commodities market, where you will be able to gain more profits. You will be able to gain more profits, we will be able to make more consistent profit, right? More consistent profit, more gains out of the market. So the more gains you make, the more happier you will be, the more financial well-being of yours will be there. So we have explained our profitability, we have explained the stocks which we have closed till now. Just just we will go to the analysis of our one of our stock. We'll just go for the NFL analysis. Just let's go for the NFL analysis. We'll just look how it is doing, and let's go for, we will search for the analysis which we can do, right? So we can go for NFL analysis where we have made a profit of 9%. Just we will go through that and look where we can gain some insights and where we can have the profitability. So looking at our current position, we have seen the performances, we have seen the analysis which we have done, right? So So this was the entry which we have made, the support and the resistance mark which we have made for you to make it clear that what will be its resistance, what will be its support, right? And what will be the first entry, second entry, and the third entry which we have made. So to be clear on that, we have made our first entry at the level of 390. The second entry at the level of 375 and third entry at the level of 360. So looking into all the parameters which we have achieved, we have our average entry at the 375 level, and now Poonawalla is doing good. Now it is positive by 1.99%. The Poonawalla is positive by 1.99%, and we are looking into its gain. Once it crosses its resistance point at the level of 375 to 383, we will be seeing more upsides coming in here. More upsides coming in here will just make a arrow that you are able to get more. So if it breaks down here, if it comes down here, we will be seeing a more upside. We will just make it green so that you are able to see. Here you will be able to see more upside in Poonawalla. And if we come down, if it breaks down this level, right, just look at support. We'll just adjust it, support it here because it is doing great. If it breaks from here, we will be able to see more upside coming out around 410 and 420. And if doesn't comes out, if it doesn't comes out, if it breaks out here, we will be seeing a more low here. We'll just read it out that it can fall out here. If it breaks its support at the level of 340, around below 340, it can fall down more around the level of 310 and 300. So we are having our support for Poonawalla at the level of 340. If it breaks the level of 340, if it goes down below 340, we will be able to see more downside coming up. Just look at the downside potential it has. We will be able to see more downside coming up from this level. So just remember to be safe at this point. To be safe at this point, if it breaks down this point, we will be able to see more downside. And coming to the level of 380, if it crosses the level of 380, we will be able to see we will be able to see growing more high. If it is showing a green candle here, we are at the median of the support and resistance, right, just in the middle of that. If it grows till here, we will be seeing more upside, and if it falls, if it start falling, we will be able to see more downside here. So these are the risks and opportunities in Poonawalla. Be safe when you are at the position of 337 and 345, and at the resistance, be greedy when you have the resistance at the level of 370 and 383. So these are the greeds level where if it breaks the resistance, we will be able to see more upside. And if you are seeing a fall below 340, we will be able to see more downside here. So just remember to make your positions accordingly and be comfortable. Now we will go for the RBL bank, right? We will go for the RBL bank stock. Let's see what RBL bank is doing. uh, So look at the positions for RBL Bank which we have made. For RBL Bank, we have generated U with the returns with the positions entry price around 200 and 205. Right. So this was the return for third entry which we have made at RBL Bank around 150. We have already done the exit for the RBL Bank at the level of 160 around, where we have made a profit of 5%, and we have been able to gain quick profit and be out of the RBL Bank. And now we are waiting for the positions where we have entered at 200 level, and RBL Bank is doing tremendously well. Just look at the RBL Bank, how it is performing, right? You just go for the 1 day chart so that you are able to gain more points out of it, and you will be able to understand. So these are the resistance point for RBL Bank we have seen. this support. Right, for RBL Bank, if you see, we have a strong support at the level of 146 to around 153. Right, we are able to see the support, and if we it and we have a resistance at this point. We are trading at a resistance. If it goes above the point of above 180, we will be able to see more upsides coming in. So these are the support and resistance we have for RBL Bank. If it is going above 180, we'll be able to see more highs coming in. Just look at the highs we can have from at this position. We will be able to see more high, right? The more high will come once it crosses this resistance we have at the level of 178 to 182. So these are the resistance level for RBI Bank, and it has come under the range of resistance. It is not fearing from the resistance. Just look at it is showing some green candle, and if it breaks the level of 180, we will be seeing more highs in RBL Bank. So just remember, when it crosses 180, we will be also at our average position. The stocks which we have bought at the level of around 175, we will be easily able to exit that too at the level of, just add it up like 175, just add 8 points in it, you will be able to 9 points in it. At 183, we will be able to achieve our 5% profitability, and we will be easily exiting that stock as well. So for RBL Bank, we had this, and now looking into the support we have for RBL Bank, the support which we have is around the level of 146 and 153. So this is the support we had, right? And it has been gone really well at the support. It was pushing its back. It was pushing. It was making momentum, and now we are seeing an increase in it. We are seeing an increase in it from its support. It is showing an increase here. So just remember that we had seen a fall from the level of 176 to 152. Again, there was consolidation. It was increased to 160, where we made a profit, and again it has fallen down. So these are the candles we are looking in the RBL. When the candles have been doing really well, let's see what it holds. The mostly after falling its below mark around 146, it again started increasing. It has been started increasing, and now it is trading at the resistance point. So just remember, for your information, we will be making your lows also. If it is going down, if it is going below this level, we will be facing some red candles, and it can go more down around the level of 130 and 136. So these are the levels we have for support. If it falls below the support line of 146 and 153, it will fall more down. So all these things have to be kept in your mind for more trading information, right? And we will be updating you with all the queries you have, all the issues you have. You can just come up with the questions you have. Aditya will be solving each and everything for you, right? So we have for Aventel, as you can look, Aventel, what the Aventel does, it is an electronic technology and telecommunication generating company. So Aventel Limited is an telecommunication equipment company in electronic technology. Just we will go through that. Yesterday we were having some information. Just hide that so that you will be able to gain like will be able to understand it properly. If we look at the charts for 3 months, we are able to find the support. So just we will be able to look at the chart for 3 months. We are able to find the support at this level for Aventel, and the resistance at this level. And if we go for 6 month chart, it will be more clear for us. So we'll just draw that uh, so that it can fit in our line, and we will be able to gain. So so we can see, we are able to see our Aventel. We'll just delete it because it is not in our area, right? We don't need as of now. So we have our support for this level. We'll just add the text right here, support. So for Aventel, we have our support at this level at 139 to 144, and we have our resistance at the level of this level. So this is the resistance level we have. We'll just draw and get the resistance level. Just this was the resistance level for stock at 175 and 180. So we'll just add it, the resistance. So this is the resistance we have for us. This is the resistance, right? And this is the resistance we have for Aventel. We have a resistance point around 175 and 180, and it is trading around 162. As you can see, many a times have been there where there have been consolidation at this phase around 170 and 180. If it breaks that level, we will be able to see more highs. So just remember that we are able to see support at this point at 140 at the level of 139 to 144, and resistance is at 175 to 179. So these are the resistance level we are looking, and these are the support level we have. So looking into all the parameter, if we look, if it breaks the support below 140 mark, if it breaks the support below 140 mark, I'm just zooming this chart so that you are able to get my points and what are the levels, you can just look into it. So as of now, if we look at the support, we have our support at here. You will just make a arrow so that you are able to get our paths, right? We can also make a path here, like we have seen there is a consolidation, here has been consolidation, here has been consolidation. So this is the path we are seeing, but from here, just look at the path. We can see from here we are expecting to grow more from this level once it comes down the level of. So this is our level we are having. Just look at the path. We can have this path as well, right? We are not seeing a fall around this, and from this level it can grow to more good highs, and it can make more good levels. Now we will looking at the arrows. We will mark the arrows down here. So this is the register support level for the stock. If it falls down below 140, the Aventel, it has a very critical support and it will be falling more around that. But we are very positive around this. We are expecting the stock to grow, and if the stock grows, we will be positive around it. So just mark, we will be marking at green. So this was our positions as of now. Just look at the support level we have, and this was the, we will just tilt the arrow, right? We will just remove it and tilt the arrow so that you are able to get my point. So from this point we will be able to see more highs. So these are the points we have. If it crosses the level of 180, we will be able to see reaching at the level of 200 easily, and if puts down the level of 140, we will be able to see its mark at 120. So this is the critical support level we have as of now at around 139 to 144, and this is the resistance we have for our stocks at the level of 175 to 180. And we are expecting the stock will grow at this level, right? The stock will grow and it will grow more from this level because it has consolidated, showing some red candles as of now, right? It has gapped down its volume. Just look at the volume it has. This will make one more arrow that you are able to look, right? Just look at the arrow, it has gapped down. Now we will be able to see more highs coming out of it. So this is the level which we have, and now we will be seeing more highs. So all this consolidation happened here. Now there will be a maybe a huge buying going on, and we will be able to see more. So whatever the green candle it has shown, we have been seeing a good green candle here, but it was after reaching at certain level around 180, it has fallen, and now we will be seeing some bounce back. Just look at the candles it is making around the level of this, and we will be looking more high. So this is a resistance which we have now. We will go for Dev Plastic Industries Limited. So we have already made the support and resistance for their plastic, right? We have been already making support and resistance for their plastic. We have our support at the level of, just look at the support which we have made, right? So this was our support level for their plastic. We'll just cut it off and go it once again so that you will be able to see the Dev plastic once again. So we have made our Dev plastic support and resistance. Just look at the levels which it is having as of now. Like, we have our support at the level of around, we will just increase our resistance area because it is falling down from its more level. We'll just look at the level which has generated. This is the resistance area we have. After reaching the 315 mark, it is falling again and again, and it is showing some downfall. So just look at it. Once it downfalls around the level of it, we'll just arrow it up. Just look at the levels. It has been falling. It has been showing some downside signals, right? So this is the signal we have as of now. Just look at the signals we have. It is consistently showing some downward movements, but it have a downward movements from this point. Just we will continue that, right? We will just continue and make it more clear for you. Just look at the positions which we have made. It has made high at the level of 3117, and again it was fallen down. It has made a high around this. Again we are seeing a downfall. If we consider this as an option, but it will show a bounce back, huge bounce back from this level. Just look at it, right? Can you look? It was showing a bounce back. Just look, if it comes around the level of this point, uh, why we are coming to the level, just add it up. So you can see we have been adding your line. So just exit that also. Just look at the, we will make an arrow and let us understand why it is important for us. So just look at the level we have made. It is falling down around this level. So once it touches the level of 240 around, we will be able to see more highs coming in. It can break support around that level, but we have to maintain some cautiousness. The next support, the critical support we have at the level of 250. So we'll just make a critical support level as well. This is the critical support level, not the critical support level. So we have a critical support level at this point. As we can see, it is making some downside movement, and once it reaches this level, like it is trading around 291, but we are expecting a downfall from the level at around 250, and once it reaches the level of 250, the Dev plastic we will be having some critical support. And if it bounce back from this level, we will be seeing highs coming up around easily around 320, 325. So we have to look what it is critical support, why it is coming, and what we can go as of now. So Considering all these options, we have come up with new recommendation after many days. Any guesses, guys? What calls we have? What strategy we have generated? Right. So we will come into that. We will just look. We have come up with an option called Kriti. Kriti, we are trying to go along. We'll just update in our Excel sheet. So we have come up with Kriti at the date of 2024. We'll just add it up here. So this is the 12th month and this is the date of 11th. So on 11th of date of positional establishment, on 11th of the December, we are adding our stock code. It is in NSC, right? It is in NSC, listed in NSC. Just look at it. NSC, we have providing Kriti. We'll just update and go through it. The go through position which we are making at the level is at 170 and 175. So 170 and 175 is the level we are entering. The 5% profit level is at 179.84. 179.84. The first profit position is at 210 to 115. 210 to 115. And the second position target we have at 230 to 35. 230 and 235. So this is the second target price we have entered our new holding. As of now, we'll just save it, right? We will just save it so that it remains with us. Kriti, we have been entered now at the entry price of 170, 175. The 5% profit level is around 179 and 184. And the first target price is placed at the level of 210 and 215, right? And the second target price which we have as of now is around 230 and 235. We'll just update in our tracking sheet as well whatever is our entry position. So what is the timing, as it's 11 a.m. We'll just put the 11 a.m. timing, just exact 11 a.m., right? We are providing the call. So we will just add it up. So at 11, we have entered the position. We have made a long position in it, and we have made our entry point at the level of 170 and 175. So we have made our entry at the Kriti. We will just go and analyze the Kriti aspects and look how Kriti is performing for today. So we have made our profit marking. We have our first profit level at the Kriti. Just save it. For Kriti, we have our first entry price at 170, 175. Just go buying for it. Just let me know how many of you have bought this stock from your broker, right? So coming up to now, Kriti, we have entered at 175. The entry price is given. Don't enter after that or before that. We have our entry price mentioned around 170 and 175. And we will go for searching for Kriti now. We will just add Kriti in our watch list. So just look at it. We will just search here Kriti. So Kriti is currently trading at the level of 170 once currently at the level of 175. So it is a right time to enter this stock called Kriti, where we will be getting benefit out of it, right? And we have our support and resistance ready with us for the level which Kriti is making. So just look at the Kriti we have our support at this level. The Kriti is doing really well. It has made a candle as of now. Just look at the candle, it is positive by 3.45%. The Kriti Industries, and it is trading around 175 and 80 175.84. So these are the levels we are having for Kriti, and after that we will be entering into this stock. So just enter this stock now because we are making a new levels. So we will just draw the support and resistance for your information so that you are updated, right? So we are making the support level at this point, right? So we'll just shift it here. So we have a support level at this at the level of 153 to 160. So this is the support level we have for Kriti as of now. It is a very critical point, and the resistance level are high and high. So make arrow and show it to you why we are very positive. Now just look at the path it is making, right? From here we will look at the path. Just look at the path, it has come down at this level. It has increased, it has shown some red candle, and now it is showing some positivity. So look at the path we have a very good positive path around this level. Just look at the level, it was trying to bounce back, and again after this level it has gone towards the resistance. Adjust the arrow accordingly, and it is will be at the level of 208 and 209 easily. Just look at the path which we have shown. Just we have we have seen a fall from 190 level to the level of 150 160 around, and again it increased to a level of 185, and now it has decreased to 166. So there is a difference, right? So just make one more arrow to make you understand more clearly. So just look at the path we are having as of now. So this is the area we are expecting to grow easily at the level. It is trading around the level of this, and we are expecting it to increase more here. So coming to this level, we will be seeing reaching its mark around this level, right? Reaching its mark around the level of 208 and 180 easily. And we have our entry point made right now. And what was our exit point at the level of 179 and 184. So whenever we are reaching our target will be at 179 to 180 for our first target price. We'll just mention that also. 179 to 84 is our first target. So just make a rectangle so that you are able to see. So this is our target price. We have our first target price at the level of 180 to 184. So this is our first entry, first target price. First target, and that is 5%. So first target price we have 5% at the level of 179 to 184. So this is our first target price. We'll just adjust it a little bit low from 179, around 179, yeah, 179 to 184 we have our first target price, right? The second target price will be at the level of 210 and 215, so we'll just make it up. From this point, right? From this point we have our target price at 215, so this is our second target price. This is our second target price. We have this first position target. So this is the first target price which will be achieving at the 5%. This is the first position target for long term prospect. The second position which we are having is at around the level of 230 and 235. So at 230 and 35 we will make our second target here. So we'll just add it up. So this is the third target price, THIRD, right? THIRD. So this is the third target price we have for this level, around 230 to 235. The first position target we have around 210 to 215 for this stock, and first target price around 179 to 185. So when you buy the stock at 170, your target price will be 179. If you are buying your stock at 175, your target price will be 185. So the more you have to adjust your holding accordingly. If you are buying at 170, your target price will be going 179. If you are buying at 175 level, your target price will be 185. So just remember that we have made a support level at this point, just 150 to 150, 153 to 159, and we have our target price given, and this is the range we have, right? This is the range. We'll just make up the range also. See the projections we have for now. Just make up the projection. So this is the projection we have as of now. Just look at the projection. So it can be trading around 180 to the level of 235 easily. So this is the projection we have. We will just adjust our first target price little bit, and we will be able to get more clarity on that. So this is our first target price. The first position tried is given, and also the third target price. So this is the projections we have as of now. So this is the projection mark we have from the level of 170, 175 to the level of 230. So just remember, this is a projection level we have made. We have come down to a position, we just adjust it. So this is our projection level we have, and the target which we have generated is tremendous, right? So be remember to exit your position on timely basis, on a regular basis, so that you are able to make more profit out of it. And this was our recommendation for today. Be enter at this level, so that you are able to make more profit out of it. We have made our support level, we have made our target level. The first position target is given, and the third position target is, just adjust it at the area. So this is the third target price. So we have made our projections. As of now, we have come to our support, we have come make our target prices. So do remember to enter this stock. We were talking about our holding. We will looking at the holding we have. Poonawalla, uh, 5 stocks are positive as of now in our holding, only 3 are negative, right? So just remember to add it. We have added in our Excel sheet as well. Kriti at the level of 175, 170 and 175. 5% profit level is at 179, 184. First target price is the level of 210, 215, and second target price is at 230, 235. So just remember that we have made our new entry at the Kriti. It is listed in NSE and BSE both. The opening time was 11. We have made our long position, and remember the entry point. And we will be coming up soon. We will be coming up soon with the closing date and take profit mark as well in Kriti. Once we see a good bounce back coming up in Kriti, will be entering into that. So do remember what we have entered now. We'll be coming back again. Until now, you have known our performances. Our performances have been tremendous. We have been providing, we are here, we have been providing with the consistent returns for you. We have been delivering consistent returns. Each and everything which we provide is on a live streaming basis, right? So stay awaited for our next live streaming journey. Stay updated, and we will come back and be more insights into it. So stay tuned for the next live streaming session. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to your network, the serious investors. Also remember that this live streaming session will be free for next 2 3 weeks only. After that, we will be going for the VIP mode. Once we go for the VIP mode, we will be entering, we will be looking that uh, we will be dealing with only the serious clients who wants to make the serious money. So stay tuned, stay updated, and we will come back once more in the live market session and let you know all the details.